In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your Sony AV receiver is not turning on at all, even if you press the power button on the unit, even if you press the power button on the remote control. So if this is happening to you, the first and easiest thing you can try is to go ahead and unplug your receiver from the wall outlet. You're gonna leave it like this at least 3 hours. We want all the remaining energy that is stored in the capacitors of this amplifier to be drained. You can also press the power button once it has been unplugged during 30 seconds. This will just accelerate this drain. Keep it unplugged, and what I suggest is to go on the back and you're gonna unplug absolutely everything, your devices and also the speakers. Maybe your cable touch and there has been a short circuit, so this was the issue, or maybe one of your devices is not working properly and it confuses your receiver. So unplug absolutely everything from the back. So after the 3 hours has passed, you can go ahead and connect it back to the power. And try to power it on by using the power button that is located in the front of your receiver. If it powers on, this is great news. You can go ahead and connect back the devices on the back one by one. So connect one, wait a few seconds, see if the receiver turns off or it stays on. If everything goes well, go to the next one. Same thing with the speakers. One by one, connect them and make sure that, and if after connecting one of those speakers or devices the unit shuts down, well, you know that this was faulty and you can take measures to replace that device or check your wiring of your speakers. Maybe you have inverted the positive and the negative. If this didn't work, another thing you can do is a factory reset. So assuming that it's not powered on, because this is what your problem is. You're gonna keep press this power button, not by simply giving a small tap. You're gonna keep it pressed at least 10 seconds until you see on the screen over here cleared. So try it out, okay? Press the power button and do not release it no matter what's happening. And once you see the cleared message appearing on the display, here you go, cleared, you can release the button. And fortunately, after doing this, you'll be able to make it work. If you have any other tips on how to solve this issue, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.